I am going to unbox this. It's arrived a few days ago, and today I'm going to open it up and share with you guys what's inside. So we shall start. Open. So let's look at this. Wow. The maker has done a very good job in trying to protect this instrument, because if the violin here, the body touches the box, then it may leave marks, because along the way it can be exposed to high heat and varnish may soften a bit and therefore may stick to the box. So it's actually kept suspended in the air. Bottom is not touching, but just in case it touch, there is this paper to protect it from rubbing against this rough cotton. See, one end is holding the end button here, the other end is holding the scroll, so the bottom basically is not touching the base of the box itself. This packet here must be the certificate. Yeah, so this is the certificate. It's like a birth cert for this violin. It's made by Stefano Trabucchi, a violin maker from Cremona, Italy. Yes, this is wax seal, and it says here is instrument is a violin in 4/4 size, full size. The model is Stradivari, Hellier 1679. And it's made in this year 2021. Over here there's his signature. It's completed on the 4th of August 2021. And this is actually the measurement of the violin. The body length itself is 355 millimeter. So this is considered size that is very suitable for Asian. Anything that is below 357, I think is very playable. This is Maestro Trabucchi. So I do have a video that I'd like to share. I forgot to remove stream starting soon. Alright, right now we just gonna enjoy the video.
Greetings from Cremona.
We've got the soundpost. This is very important because this is the heart of the violin. This is the tailpiece, chin rest with the heel clamp. When we say fittings, it is a set here. The pegs, chin rest, tailpiece, and the M button, 4 items. And lastly, this is the bridge with a Maestro stamp on the bridge. Maybe before that we should take a closer look of the instrument. The side here is made of maple wood that I'm sure is from the same log of this, the back here, the maple wood. It's a one-piece back. I like this, the frame line that it runs from one side to the other side. This type of maple woods are considered as the top quality Bosnian maple wood. The neck is also with high flames. Now we set up the soundpost. I will use the dental mirror to check my soundpost. So now I'm going to close up the M button hole. Now we shall put on the tailpiece. I want to put chalk underneath the bridge. I will also put graphite to draw on the grooves here. This should make it very smooth and very easy for us to tune the violin. Same thing on here, on the grooves of the ebony top nut. First string is up and I put on the bridge. Next is the E string. You guys can see from the side, right? Let's tune it up. Beautiful instruments. We have completed the setup at this stage. Very happy to share with you guys. Cremona violin made by Maestro Stefano Trabucchi.